are there waiting.
I'll let you eat before the storm come. Hi everyone! Welcome to Nina's Day Vlog. So for today's video guys, gagawa po ako ng aming lunch. So I have here a thin sliced pork. So ako lang po ang nag-slice. Very thin. First, I will put the barbecue marinade sauce. Ayan siya. And then let's put lemon. Ayan. Next, mix lang natin. Ayan siya. So, I will just cover this and marinate overnight. So, for tomorrow, I will prepare our banh mi for lunch. So, for lunches, we usually eat sandwiches. This one. Ayan po, gagawa ako ng pickled carrot, radish, and cucumber para sa aming banh mi lunches. Oops, tamang-tama siya. Oh, galing naman. Ayan, tapos na ako sa carrots. I'm done with the carrots. Next. At tapos na din akong maghiwa ng radish. Ang susunod, cucumber or pipino. Ayan, tapos na po. Susunod, gagawa ako ng syrup. Yun ay water, sugar, little bit of salt. Ito po ang vegetables natin. So this is water. I put the white granulated sugar. So halu-haluin po natin. Let's dissolve the sugar. Maglalagay po ako ng white vinegar. Konti pa. There. Maglalagay din po tayo ng konting salt or asin. Just wait until the mixture is warm, but not boiling. So, painitin lang po natin, pero hindi po natin siya pakukuluan. Okay, so this is my water with vinegar and sugar. So, the carrots I put in a clean jar. Likewise with the radish. And this is the cucumber. Now, let's put the solution. Lagay na natin sa jar. Ayan lang siya. Napakadali. tapos na. Takpan natin. Aba, parang pwede akong magbenta. Sino po ang may gusto ng pickled carrot, pickled radish, and meron pang isa, pickled cucumber. I see you all tomorrow when I make our lunch. Ooh, I got package today. Let's see what's inside. Eto siya guys, oh, yung laman ng box kanina. Eto, CCTV or camera for the house. And we will try this later. Hopefully it works. I might show. Let's see. Oh, you're so cutie, cutie, cutie. Okay guys, let's try the camera. Oh, it's moving, look. Oh. And then go there. Face me there. Wow. Nice. Look, ito na po yung marinated na thin slice pork para sa banh mi. Okay, let's start making banh mi. So this is the pork barbecue. This is the radish. Pickled radish. Ayan. After that, maglagay din tayo ng carrot. At saka yung cucumber. At syempre, yung freshly picked na cilantro. Damihan natin para masarap. Ayan. Closer look tayo. Yan, ang dami-daming ingredients. And the other one, oh, saan ka pa? Ayan, ang sarap-sarap. Let's eat. Wow. So good. Yeah. Better than anyone else because it's homemade. And the bun good because it's crunchy outside, yeah.